Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaiah. You guys get to finally put a face to the voice. Want to try things a little bit differently right here. Some YouTube tips, right? Talked about it with my boy Chris. Shout out to him. Some good ideas. Um, yeah, so right now I'm in a trade. I basically got into this trade. I found this trade set up yesterday. Now it's a big stop loss. It is what it is at this point, but it seems decent, but there's just a few things that we need right now. One is to get these drawn out right here. Boom. That's the 15-minute. Let me look at the hour real quick. The hour's right under it, so preferably I'd like to see this finish a lot more bearish. You know, the 30-minute, I like that right there. That looks like the inverted hammer or something like that. Definitely looks like a reversal candle, so we'll see what the market gives us right now. My bottom position's in right here. So let's see. Well, let me get an accurate spot. Mm, my top position, I'm up about 35 pips. Bottom position, I'm up about 3. So I like getting my bottom position. That's a little bit cleaner. Me personally, I like to take it down here. Get this out of here. Me personally, I like to take it down, but like I said, it's kind of hard to say right now just because we have a big push up, right? But one of the things that I like is we have a higher high, a higher low. Let me get this right. The one thing that's keeping me grounded with this trade is, right, we have a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, lower high, lower low, right? Lower than this low, lower than this high. So what I'm thinking we possibly see, break a structure, 61.8, golden zone. We do have a crossover right here, but I think we should be able to see a push down right here, hopefully. So first take profit. What is this? 106 pips right here. Mm, probably somewhere around here, around 90 to 100 pips, if it's, able to make it down here. Let's do some really quick. There's the 30-minute. There's a lot of things that it needs to actually, a lot of roadblocks it needs to get through. But you can see that right there. Actually, not a bad thing. Well, I could tell you what is a bad thing actually. This candle getting engulfed, now sitting on top of the 5-minute 50 EMA. That's not great, but hopefully, I mean, the one thing I don't like is rejection, rejection, rejection. Break above these highs. Did come back down, but you can see it's got a big push up right now. We got about 3.5 minutes till open. So, let's see what the market gives us. I'm in the trade already. Thankfully I'm in profit. My bottom position is obviously down 15 pips right now. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully we don't see a big push up or we see us get eaten up. That would suck. Okay, okay, okay. Hey, thank you guys. Shout out to you guys. Just seeing that I'm at 510 followers. I'll take that. Thank you. Hold on one second. Yeah, I don't like the big push up right now. if I'm just being honest. But let's see if it gives us, you know, some sort of cause to pause right here. Got about 2 minutes, some change till open. So I like to see a rejection right here. You can kind of see that this is a key zone. All right. All right. Boom. 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 You see it kind of rejected it. Rejection, rejection, rejection. Kind of all the way across, right? So it looks like a key supply and demand area right here. So let's see if we could get it to fall off this last minute and a half. Oof, it's a big push. Well, it is what it is. I'm in the trade right now, so um, see it through to fruition. And technically, let me be clear about this. Technically, stop loss should really be, I would never let it be 160 pips, but technically that's kind of the space that we're in right now. So yeah, 93 is about my thing right here. So truthfully, if it gets too far up here, I might take it out, but you know, still pretty much valid here at this point too. So we're already in the trade. If you guys are able to hop on right now, you know, get in at this point. This is a good point to get in at. It'll shorten your 60 pips. Oof, that thing is flying, boy. Hopefully we get the right move. See my W. All right, we got about 30 seconds. Hopefully you see what we want. Get ready because if we got to get out of the trade quickly, these are going to be key areas to look at to see if we're going to see a big rejection or not. So it's going to be key. So just get your stuff ready and let's get ready to go. Go time. See if it can make it down for us. Seems like it's definitely getting pulled back up. So let's see how this, damn, definitely getting pulled up to the upside, which I don't like. Got 25 seconds left and it's making its way up. 25 seconds left in the 1 minute candle, but you see how I kind of support or resistance, resistance, resistance. Now support, support, support. Let's see how it finishes. Don't like that necessarily. That looks like it could push up right here, so let's see if the next candle gives us the same type of rejection right here. Yep. I mean, that's a big push up and pull back, but still using this as support, right? So not that great. You gotta see this thing turn bearish. So if we could get it to finish down here, then I think we're in business, but it has to finish below this line right here. Just my opinion. Okay, that's a decent finish, but it has to finish all the way through now. See what it gives us. I don't like that rejection off of the EMA. Seen that, right? See if it can still finish through. Come on. It's a big rejection off of this area again, which I don't like. But let's see if it can continue to fall off. We got a minute and a half left. Big rejection again. I think should finish strong, but you never know, right? Another big rejection. See if we could just come through though. Damn. See how it's using this as support? I don't like that. I thought we would at least see it come down to the daily, but let's see what it gives us. Right off of the support, or the 15-minute 50 EMA. Damn, that's a big push. Only hope now is to see if it uses this area as resistance and come down. But, damn, let's see. Wow, that thing flew. No fucking way. Man, I guess I was up 70 pips on my top position, so it's nobody's fault but my own, but damn. That thing is flying right now. I went up from up $600 to down 300 in a matter of 1 minute, 2 minutes, whatever the fuck it was. That's crazy. Yeah, tapped it, came down, hit it. Times. These are the ones that hurt when you're up. I mean, I was only up, what? My bottom position, 34 pips. Damn, I was hoping to take it down here. Looks like we are, you know what? It looks like we got to hop out of the position. Don't want to take too big a loss right here, so. Damn. 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 Hold on a second. If it were to make it up here, it is a bit higher than I would possibly take any trade, but mean, technically it's not invalidated, but you know, it's up there. So something you just got to be mindful for. Rari too deep. Me and two bitches headed east. Let's see here. If it makes it up to there and respects it again at this area here, I'm gonna hop in. I pulled my bottom position on this trade. So this position I closed about, oh, let's just check. Pips is that? Fuck, I can't even do the math right now. One thing I'm not great at is math, so my bad. But just about. I wear about it in my DNA, and I've been eating. Oops. Gotta mean my CPA. So what we gotta look out for here is see if price is gonna come down and respect this area. That's what we really gotta see. So my top position that I had previously is about, we could take this thing down, hopefully down here. See, I don't like that. It's got to break through all this, right? It's got a few things to break through, which I'm not sure it really wants to, I think, now that I look at it on this 1 minute chart. Rejection, break to the upside. Now it's back here. And I think might have just been wrong on this trade. Is what it is. I mean, there's still a lot of ground to be covered, but when I say a lot of ground, to make it an invalid trade, remember I told you that as long as this one's technically not broken, it's still valid. So that's the hard part right there. You know, so we got to see what happens from there. The fuck he want, don't he? Hit that. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna push up. 488, RE3 deep. And OB died. Yeah, it looks like I guess this is where this thing is just headed, man. Damn. Sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong, but rejection off the 15 minute, basically a matching or engulfing candle right here. Now this next 5 minutes, finishing 2.5 minutes, pushing up. And like I said, technically, we gotta be up here, but I don't. Mm, eh. See what happens right here. I'm interested to see how this finishes this last minute and a half. This thing, I mean, the biggest thing is it has to break through here, has to break through here. There's a few things it has to break through, and I guess, you know, for the most part, it's keeping with the push up right here. So if it rejects this again and pushes up, then you know, it's just pushing up. Not much to it. Let's see if it can break through this. That's the biggest thing. Can it break? Ooh, whoa. See if it can break through all this shit though. That's the key. Key factor is to break through all of it. If it doesn't, then all of this is worthless. Holy shit. I think time to move stops to break even if you're up there at the top. So, it has to break through that too. There's the 5 minute. It's not necessarily breaking through it though. You gotta see it push through. Like anything that, I mean, it could be waiting till 7 a.m. to make its move, which would suck, but because 7 a.m. we got news coming out, but I would hope that it just makes its way down, especially with these rejections right here. I would say move stops to break even. I got a position in at 280 and 315. Um, 280, 315, and then I have a .01 at 220 that's down about $39, which is 38 pips. So we're sitting in that range right now. But I'd like to see a breakthrough now. Like that's the biggest thing. Let's see a breakthrough now. We could see a breakthrough now, and we're in business. And we need this thing to fall through. Damn, I don't like that. That's a big push. That's a huge push. No way. Let me see this on the 1 minute. And I like the way it rejected it, but it has to stay under this, in my opinion. I'd like to see it, you know, use this as resistance, the 1 minute 50 EMA, this red line that we were using right beforehand. See it just fall off right here. If we could have that, then I think we're in business for sure. Still got 47 minutes though, or 47, sorry, 6:47. We still got 13 minutes though till that news comes out. Could be good news, could be bad news. I think it's, whoa, 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 whoa. So let's see if this thing could fly off. Yeah, I don't really like it just because it's staying up here. Still rejecting, which is a good thing, but it's not breaking down below, so let's see if this next candle does it for us. The thing, yeah, engulf this one. We could finish engulfing. If we could engulf these two, that'd be great and get us out of this zone. Engulf and then finish through. That would be the biggest thing. So let's see if we can make that happen. Um, okay, I like that. Oh shit, son. Let's go. See if we could keep flying. See how it's not breaking this shit? That's what I'm worried about. And that's the 5 minute, I think. See that? It has to finish. Yeah, I don't like that. Damn. See how it's still using this as support this whole level? All these candles? We gotta have it break through here. And instead it's using it as support and can still push up. Damn. Shit's getting on my nerves now. Hold on a second. See if it gets that fall off right now. Come on. Screw that bitch. Damn, that shit still ain't breaking. I'm gonna take some profit. Fuck it. Alright, I just took some profit right now. Damn, I was trying to get 500. Fuck it. See if it can push down, man. Dang. Bounced off that shit again. Wow. Bouncing off of this shit. I'm gonna take some more profit. Fuck it. That shit's bouncing too much for me, so I'm at 540 for the day. 135 floating with 0.02. This shit flew all the way back up on us. Um, So let me, I mean, I don't like the rejection off that level. I think 7 o'clock's gonna be the key thing right here. Let's see. I think 7 o'clock is where we're gonna see it really make its move up or make its move down. But as of now, you know what I mean? Look at these rejections all off the 5 minute. I'm sorry, the 15 minute. Now it's pushing back up. Might just come all the way back up on us. Damn. Yeah, I was up like 800 at one point and only closed about 540. So see what it gives us on the next ones. Hey, so all I have is a little position in here. Um, you can see this shit is ugly, dog. When you see it like this, each of these candles is 5 minutes. So for what, 30 minutes,
It's been crazy.
it's just been going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. So I mean, I don't know. It kind of looks like it's gonna push up now, but depends on how this finishes. Then at 7 o'clock, we're gonna see news come out today. Red folded means high impact. So we got all these things coming out today, and then we have FOMC later at 11. So I think right now in 4 minutes, we're either going to see a big push up or a big push down, depending on what the news is. So let's see. I like how it's using this area: resistance, 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 support, support. It's still somewhat using it as resistance right here. Oops. But if it finishes on top, it's not good. As you can see, rejection. I was down like a cool thousand at one point. These spikes.
For real?
Yeah. But I knew the trade wasn't invalidated because this shit looks like it's gonna finish up here. I knew this shit wasn't invalidated when my bad, I hit my phone outside. Um, the reason this trade wasn't invalidated, this you see this wick did not go above this wick. So this whole thing is the trade basically your stop loss. But now that I look at it, the 15 minute, this shit's about to fully engulf this one. An hour straight of bullshit. Looks like it could just stack up. It might have taken me out too. Okay, so I have a 0.02 in there. So I have a 0.02 in there, and if it comes up to that red line, that's my stop loss. It's going to take me out of the trade in profit. So we'll see right now. See. Technically, if you wanted to put a trade in, you could right now. Just to, because you're still practicing, you could technically put that sell in.
To sell?
Yeah. It's still kind of validated. It might, the next minute, you might see that shit fly up though. So right now at 7 o'clock, we're going to see either a big move up or a big move down just because of the news. So we'll see what it gives us. Shit, shit's about to take me out, son.
That shit's low key.
Line up.
Yeah, that was fun.
I think if it does, we're about 59 seconds away, so let's go in a minute. Just took me out of that trade. Yeah, you know what? I think this thing might be flying out though. Oh, fuck. Did you see that? Oh, I just put some cells in. Oh, oh, mames. Alright, I'm gonna take some profit right now. Ah, look it. It's not letting me close. Son of a bitch. Oh, there you go. See that shit? Well, you're on the demo. That shit wasn't letting me close because it's so volatile right now. What the fuck? Alright, move your stops to break even. That shit might fly up on you. Let's go. What I tell you, it's either gonna fly up or fly down. And that's why I told you to put the stock because it's technically valid still. You know what I mean? So look at that. Up 142. And we'll see. It's coming back up on us. Oh shit, son. Well, look at now. It can use these things as resistance. Broke the low, but damn, it's still using these as support here. See if it can fall off right here. Oh, it took me out. No way. Damn. So you see that shit flew down, what, 150 pips in 1 minute, and then flew up 100 pips in 1 minute. That's what I'm saying. Look at that shit. All the way down, all the way up. Fuck it, I'm gonna call it a day. That shit took me out.
Trade.
So did you close your positions? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Look at. So even on a bad day, I was still able to profit just because, um, just because, I knew what this was right here. Like this wasn't being broken. All these areas weren't being broken, so I knew these were key areas to keep a lookout for. Um, because support was happening here. So at this point, you got to just know that price could bounce up, and it did bounce up each time. So this time I didn't take my money. This time I did, and this time I did. Shit, shit's coming down again. Hold up.
Ha.
Shit, son. See, this shit's playing. It was an ugly ass day of trading, for real though. Just because it's bouncing up and down. Let's just close this shit. But take some more profit. You know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna just leave this shit. I'm already happy with the profits for the day.
That shit's dropping red.
Oh shit, son.
Damn.
Let's go. Take profit. I just closed partial profits. See, I knew it had to do this, but I was just waiting for it to do it. But that's a long way to go, too. If it breaks all this. Damn, let's go. Actually jump back in this trade. Way up here. I gotta fix all this. My bad, guys. Hold on a second. I had a sell limit I forgot about. But look at now that it's under this line, let's see if it can break through. So I took profit right here at the daily, just because I know it's the daily, it can bounce up. But if it breaks under this daily, now we're in business to recover basically all of this. If it breaks below the daily, it's probably going to make it down here. But it has to break below the daily. Damn, this shit's flying, son. Holy shit, look at that. We're up, okay. I'm going to pull another point zero 0.01 just because. Oh, yeah. 200 pips. Just crossed that 200 pip mark. Let's see here. I'm in up here somewhere. Let's go. Yeah, it's kind of flying up now, but fuck it. I'm happy with the day. Um, that was an ugly. Good thing we're able to make it through this shit. Pretty happy I made it through this shit. Pretty happy I made it through this shit. So look, this is 185 pips right now. Well, kind of lower. Hell yeah.
It's gonna go back up. Hopefully.
Nah, if it finishes below this purple line, it's gonna come down. I mean, it could retrace back up, but I'm saying, if it finishes below here, this purple line, like, finishes through here, that shit's gonna stay down. It's gonna come down more. Let's go to 270. Hell yeah, look at that shit. Fine. Gotta hit 200 pips again. Hell yeah. About to hit that 200 pip mark. This is a little off, but let's see. Hell yeah, look at that shit. I'm gonna take profit right here at this trend line, and then that's all we need really. Hell yeah, dope.
This thing's crazy.
This shit. And, what I think we should see is it come up to this trend line or even up here, fall off. So hopefully it stays under it now. Uses it like this one did, resistance, and then come down. If it does that, we're in business to come down even more to this trend line, which I think it should fall off even more. If it breaks through this trend line, it's going down even farther. It's a big if. Hell yeah, look at that shit. Money. Money. See, and actually I'm pretty proud of myself because there's a big ass stop loss. Took a little loss, and then I was down, like I said, like a rack, and I'm like, fuck. Alright, still valid. Even if it comes up here and hits this, it's still valid. It's still valid. Well, fuck it, guys. I'm gonna get up out of here. I think that's enough for the day. I'm gonna either hold. I put my stop loss 25 pips into profit, so it's either gonna take me out at like $20, or it's gonna go ahead and hit my take profit right here at 268. I have a .01 runner in there, so that's where we're sitting at right now. And yeah, you guys were able to make money with me. Well, hopefully there's somebody even on here. Let's see. Oh, one person. Cool. If you're able to make money with me, let's get it, man. There's a big trade right here. And technically, I think it could come all the way down here, so you'd be looking at another, that's 380, another 150 pips right here. Look at that shit. Let's go. Let's go. 250 pips and counting. Getting down to that trend line right now. I think I'm going to take profit. Took profit right now. 51 pips. I'm done for the day. Let's go. Cool.
I see. I just had to say.
Fucking guy. Perfect. Right to the trend line. Quick rejection. And we're out for the day. We're done. It's technically 251 pips. Right. To, let's call it. Okay. That's clean right there. You see, that's why I keep that little trend line right there, just because I know at this point I could see. So like once you start seeing the charts, you'll see, okay, support, 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 resistance, 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 support, support, support. And you know that it's coming to this point here where it's going to be resistance as well. So this whole area is like a strong area with this trend line, right? So the blue line. With the trend line, that this area is strong, and you can see as soon as it touched the trend line, what did it do? Bounced up. So, okay, that's it. Done for the day. Like an hour of trading. I hopped on at 7:20, I think,
620.
or 6:20. Yeah, that's it. Call it a day. 250 pip trade. And see the differences. If I would have held my trade all the way through, we'd be up fucking like 4 racks. That ain't holding. I take profit here and here and here and here. You know what I mean?
So it takes the points away.
Well, the dollars away, right?
Hey, we're gonna start doing that challenge.
I don't know. Shit, I'm making money right here. But we can start doing it because I'm risking way more. Like I was like if that challenge cost me 1,000, I was down 1,000 today at one point. You know, so I could be down 4,000 technically on that.
Quick question: when we do the challenge, how do we have to do the trade?
I'll show you right now. All right, y'all. You guys have a good one, man. Thank you guys for tuning in with me, and we'll be back tomorrow, man. Thank you.